everyone, my name is Lauren and today we're going to be unboxing the PLJW 105 model. Upon receiving your range hood, you'll want to check the box to make sure that there's no visible damage. If there are any dents in the box, go ahead and still open the range hood just to check and make sure that there's no damage to it. So now we're going to open and check it out. Alright, so I've already cut open the box and the first thing that you'll find is a large piece of foam on the top of the range hood. Behind that, we have our transition piece right here in this box, and then we've also got a mounting bracket right here. As you can see here around the range hood, we've got other pieces of foam to ensure that the range hood doesn't get damaged in shipping. So we're going to go ahead and remove those. And from there, we're going to take the range hood out. Okay, so this is actually the bottom piece of the foam that was underneath the range hood in the box. And it is holding the baffle filters that we'll put inside of the unit after we're done. So all of our range hoods come with this protective cloth, and we're gonna go ahead and take that off. All right, so we're super excited about this model because we've taken a few different components from our other range hoods and kind of combined it into one to make it one amazing range hood. So we're gonna start off right here. We've got our stainless steel touch panel. The buttons are really durable. We've also got our 2 LED lights. And for this model, because it's smaller, we only have one blower. It's 1000 CFM. But for our larger, wider range hoods in this model, we've got 2 blowers that will total 2000 CFM. All right, so I went ahead and unpackaged the baffle filters as well as the grease tray. So this grease tray will actually sit in the back of the hood, and then the filters will sit on top of it. So it just slides right into place right there. And then we've got our baffle filters. So you'll slide the back end in, front end up, and they pop right into place like that. All right, so now that I have unpackaged the box with the transition piece in it, these are the contents that are inside. So we've got our transition piece right here. This is an 8-inch in diameter transition piece, and you'll want to make sure to use 8-inch round ductwork or larger. And we've also supplied some foam tape. You can use this with the transition piece. You don't have to. It's just kind of a courtesy if you choose to use it or not. We've also got our power cord, which will plug right in here. And then this end obviously will plug into the wall. And we've also got our installation manual and a hardware bag as courtesy as well. So this is the mounting bracket that comes with the unit. This piece will be mounted to the wall. Just gonna set that aside. And then this piece will be mounted to the range hood itself. And it's got pre-drilled holes right here. You will align it with these holes on the range hood. And it will mount like that. And then once this piece is mounted onto the wall, you'll just slide the range hood on, and it fits like that. All in all, this is what the end product should look like once you receive your 105 model. Again, we're super excited to be able to offer this line to you. It's our brand new product, and we've also got it in a 304 stainless steel. This one is 430, and then we also carry it in sizes from 30 all the way up to 60. If you have any questions, give us a call. Our number is 877-901-5530, and we will be happy to take care of you.